crayon soap. The author is Violeta M. It's Saturday and Mom is making soap. Irma and Lily the doll can't wait to sit next to her in the kitchen. Mom is as cheerful as ever. What soap are you making today, Mom? Irma asked. Vegetable soap. Irma is also making Lily's lunch. We're having soap, my dear Lily. Look now. I'm putting water in, she says. Then she adds one red and one yellow crayon. Mom cuts the papers. The orange crayon goes next to the others. Mom washes the carrots, then cuts them into slices. Irma, how about the pieces of carrot? Carrots keep your eyes healthy. Thank you, Mom. Crunch, crunch. Then Lily, would you like? Huh?
Hindi man ihugaw diri kay kuan man ni garden man na ako. Nagsagbot lang ni diri kay di naman niya mo area. Kay ila naman ni kuan. Amo silingan gyapon. Nangita ang tawa-tawa. Tawa-tawa. Dasar ni siya lagaon. Limpyuhan jud ni siya maayo. Diyos ko Lord, di kalim ang linggi Lord. Kabang taon mi Lord. Daghan ako nakuha. Tabangan ako amigas. Sakit.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Look at guys. Gainang buntag di ay ni nga customer sa akong mama guys. Wapa ang customer sa akong mama, buutan pa jud, puti taas og players pa jud sa ilang eskwelahan. Maura to guys, nag-flex lang ko. Bye-bye!